I got a size 11 shoe and a 16-pound ball. Gonna roll that ball and make the pins fall. Throw a 300 game and make history. And then you'll see me on ABC when we go bowling. Let's go bowling tonight. Well, staying out of the gutter is real tough. I used to do bumper bowling, but that's just kid stuff. Last week I joined a league and the fact is I'm not real good, so I need practice. Word to your mother, I'm gonna stay out of the gutter. Well, my teammates is so fantastic. There's a chick, 2 truck drivers, and a geriatric. Now I'm picking up the 5-pin and I hope I don't blow it. I'm a 3-balled man and I'm not afraid to show it. I got a Brunswick AMF and every night, baby, let's go bowling tonight. I went up to the snack shop for a grilled cheese. Little did I know my hand was covered in grease. I went up to bowl, and to my recollection, the ball went sailing in the wrong direction. Hit some guy in the knee, and now I'm kicked out of the league. It was embarrassing. Well, I don't need that league to be cool, so let's meet at the lanes after school. I don't care if I win or lose, just as long as I wear socks with those red shoes. My ball will hit the pins like dynamite. Let's go bowling tonight. We'll drink pitchers of beer, feel alright. Let's go bowling tonight. Underneath the cosmic psychedelic light, let's go bowling tonight.